Find any lead's email address using LinkFinder AI. This demo showcases two effective methods to locate verified emails for your leads. In LinkFinder AI, first select the type for the input data. Here, choose the data type such as company name, company domain, email address, or LinkedIn company URL. Select the appropriate data type from the drop-down menu to specify the input for your search. Next, select the output data type you want to receive, such as LinkedIn profile URL or verified email. Choose the desired output type from the available options to define the result format. Click the first name field to enter the lead's first name for the lookup. Type the lead's first name, for example, Bill, to specify the search criteria. Click the last name field to input the lead's last name. Type the lead's last name, such as Gates, to complete the name information. Click the company domain field to specify the lead's company domain for the search. Type the company domain, for example, Microsoft.com, to narrow down the lookup. Click the Enrich Data button to start finding the verified email address for the lead based on the provided information. The system displays the profile data found, including the lead's name, verified email, and contact details. For the second method, select the input data type again to begin a new search. Choose the appropriate input data type from the list to specify the new search criteria. Select the output data type, such as LinkedIn profile data, phone number, or email address, for the new lookup. Choose the desired output type to define the format of the returned data. Click the field to enter the LinkedIn profile URL of the lead for the lookup. Click Enrich Data again if needed to confirm or refresh the lookup process. Click the displayed email address, such as sarah.johnson@salesforce.com, to view or copy the contact information. Click the API Access section to explore programmatic ways to retrieve data using LinkFinder AI. Click View API Docs to review the available API calls and integration details. Click B2B Data Lookup to access specific API endpoints for business-to-business data retrieval. Click LinkedIn Profile T-Email to see the API call that converts LinkedIn profile URLs to email addresses. Click the example curl command showing how to post a request to the LinkFinder AI API with authorization and JSON data. Click the description explaining how to find a person's professional email address from their LinkedIn profile URL using the API.